Hi guys, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm coming to you today with a DIY. If you remember, I had thrifted this fabric here at Goodwill, I believe, and this stool, I don't remember where I got it or how much, but it is in one of my previous hauls. I'm going to go ahead and get these legs painted up today, and I am also going to reupholster the seat on this. So first thing I am going to do is take this tool. It was on Amazon. I think the set of 2 of these. This goes under and pulls it up, and this kind of pries them up. I think the set of 2 was like $7 or $8 on Amazon, and it's super easy to get these up with that. And you may end up having to come back with a pliers and pull up the remainder of it, but they both work fairly similar. And this is really gross. I just knew what I wanted to do with it since I had that fabric. I've not even really looked at this too closely, but the fabric is really gross. It's definitely not original. This tool is actually working a little bit better because you can grab the staple and pull it up and it doesn't leave it sticking in the wood. And if I can do this with a bad arm, anyone can do this. I am going to get the fabric off. We are going to paint the legs, and then I'll record separately and attach it to this video and get that on new fabric on. Well, let's just got multiple projects going today and shooting multiple videos in one day since it's a quiet day here. And I had that sitting on top of an enamelware tub. Oh, I can hear staples falling. I'll have to sweep when I'm done. I was trying to avoid that. I'm just going back through and pulling the rest of the staples out that we're halfway in. Oh, and if we look, I'll show you in a sec here. I've got this brown fabric just about off. Oh, yeah. They just upholstered right over the last of what was on here, so you all will get to see it too. Look at that. Ugh, yuck. We're going to take this off too. All right. These ones might be a little bit harder to get out. I have a feeling that was the original fabric. It's kind of a velvety, was a velvety. Let me see. I had this up so you could see more. And now, sorry about that. We're just dealing with, I'm going to scooch a little here. We just scoot. Roll with it, right? Okay. If I can get that off, I would probably get that off. Even if I have to leave that staple in the middle, I will definitely be pulling that tag off. Some of this fabric is underneath the legs, and I don't know if I want to mess with doing that under the legs or if I just want to go get an X-Acto knife and cut around the corners of this. That actually might be easier, so. Yeah, this is not easy. You can see I have other projects sitting here. And I bumped it a little. So let me fix this really quick. All right. It looks like I may end up doing a third set of staples here. All right, I'm gonna finish these off of camera and then come back to you when I have this done. So as you can see from this, I actually had to take the legs off. It was nasty and disgusting, and that third layer was actually terrible too. I painted these legs up in navy color. You'll see on the top. I had to cut a circle out of cardboard in order to cover up the screws. And there is my final piece. I'll get one more picture added to the end of this. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.